All right, next up, we've got Luca Emili, founder and CEO of InSilicoTrials. Come on down, grab that mic, and tell me what you're working on with InSilicoTrials.
We are developing a platform for the modeling simulation in healthcare to support the development of devices and drugs.
Okay. I understand from your literature that you are trying to increase the development timeline by 4 times.
Yeah. We basically in the platform have models provided by great partners that give the opportunity to companies that don't have all the internal skills to use this kind of tool to replace traditional activity like clinical trial or animal testing or bench testing and to make it with incredible speed up. Just to give an idea, we have some models that give the opportunity to reduce the time up to 99.7% of the traditional approach.
Okay. Why is this such a problem? Why were you passionate about trying to speed up that process?
Because once you speed up the R&D for both medical devices and drugs, that is one of the biggest pain at the moment in the market, not only in terms of innovation, but also in terms of regulatory approval. You are able to create easier new products for the people that need it. So new drugs, new devices, new solution to pain that could be rare diseases or pediatric devices that go also to unmet need that are increasing a lot worldwide.
Okay. All right, take me under the hood with InSilicoTrials. You told me sort of what the big goal is, speeding up that process. How does the platform work? What makes you unique?
Yeah, the platform is web-based, cloud-based, and we since the beginning have created that with a lot of security component and following the regulatory requirement in a way that everything you're going to do in the R&D is going to be already good for regulatory approval.
Okay.
And this is going to speed up also these 2 phases, very important in development of new products that combine the innovation with the regulation that are very important in our market.
Okay.
So once a user go on the platform, he find a specific model that is going to help him to contextualize the simulation in its own specific need, and then the results become quickly available and with a high level of scientific value. As the provider we have are very great research centers, or also in some case we have a collaboration with FDA, so we have model provided by FDA on the platform, and this is going to increase the level of consideration for this kind of outcome in the entire regulatory and research.
Interesting. I understand you're based in Italy, is that correct?
Yeah, well, I'm based in Italy.
You're
the
in
company
Italy?
is in Italy, Netherlands, in US as well. So
Okay.
we are covering worldwide, thanks also to the fact that we're working on the cloud, so we are everywhere 24/7.
Okay. Do you feel like there's a sort of a global sensibility to the company? I feel like there's something about companies that come at health with a global perspective.
Totally. Consider that we haven't started yet to do sales, but we already have customers coming to us from Australia and India, US, Europe. So they were addressed to us by our partners, and so this is a right indication that the footprint of what we're doing is global.
It's always a good sign when someone finds you before you're even ready to find them.
Absolutely, really great.
Very nice. So 2020, what are you most excited about? What should we be looking forward to from InSilicoTrials?
We have some great discussion with big partners.
Okay. Any that you can mention now? Any you can?
Not really.
Quite yet?
Not really. In a couple of weeks, I will be able to do that.
Okay, we'll be checking back.
And these are very big projects. That is our go-to-market, because what we have decided to do is to go to market with partners to be able to reach the final user as quick as possible, as our initiative is the first like this worldwide. And so this is our target for 2020, to be able to deliver and to focus on the execution of what we have built in the past.
Awesome. Well, thank you for the work that you're doing. Thanks for stopping by the StartUp Health studio.
Thank you.
And keep up the good work. All
Thank
right?
you. Bye.
Take care.